Hello everyone, this is Alina. Today I'm very happy to show new products to you. First, I will show you these small butterfly dies. Months ago, one lady said she hoped me to design some small butterflies, so now small butterflies coming. We always welcome new ideas about products, so if you have any good ideas, it is highly appreciated if you can tell me. We probably can make your ideas into real products. We can see these dies include 3 butterflies and 3 frame dies. So we can use only butterflies with patterns, and also we can only use the frames. And also we can use them both. They are all very lovely. And the second item I will show you is, we can call it back to 70s radio. It is a vintage radio. It can make a chic radio embellishment. Also, it can decorate cards, albums, and planners. The third one is mini slimline card frames. Mini slimline frames are loved by many people, and it is very popular. This set contains 10 frames, 5 with postcard borders and 5 basic frames, so it can use as frames and card background. This dies is plain pages dies. We designed in 5 different sizes. Each page has layered die for decoration, and these 4 corners is for photos. Here we see there are 5 different sizes, and each page have decoration layer. These dies are very good for card making. And with these horse borders, they can work with spinners and mushroom rings. It is very great to make albums and planners. This dies is sentiment die. Happy birthday to you with shadow. People always need happy birthday dies, and the shadow layers can make letters into difference. Okay, we go next. This adorable gnome is for Halloween. After COVID, the shipment to many countries becomes slower, so everything we need prepare in advance earlier than before. Actually, we already released some Halloween and Christmas stamps in last month, and now the dice for Halloween. These small gnomes are very adorable. They wear 3 different hats, 2 long beards, and 4 accessories: pumpkin, honey jar, flower, and bloom. The last die cut I will show you is coffee mugs. It contains 4 different sizes and 3 different toppers. Here are simple samples we have made. The sentiments are also from my store. You can find the stamps in the store. With different sizes, they can make decoration, embellishment, or paper card, mini albums, planners, or any other paper crafts. Here is ice cream toppers. And it seems we also can create it into cupcakes. It's really a surprise. This year, we designed and produced many very nice clear stamps, and the stamps for this month are also very pretty. This month we have floral background stamps. They are very beautiful. And here are classic and vintage background. Also, we have 5 models of layered flower clear stamps. These kind of stamps are also very popular at present. And these stamps is for landmarks and icons for London and the Britain. It's very cute. And this one is about a nurse and medicine. And I hope you feel better soon. And here are several about Christmas, Santa Claus, This snowfall clear stamps is also very beautiful, and it is very special. I think it will be very pretty to use for a card, for a Christmas card. The last two clear stamps I will show you is sentiment background stamps. They are for card making background. This one is for happy birthday. And this one is for Christmas. The last item I will show you is Dewdrop Gems. It is transparent. It can use as stickers or it can stick on card for decoration. It's very pretty and with different size. Okay, that's all. If you want to know more information of these new products, please visit my store. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.